أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة على أهلها. Presenting my heartiest congratulations to all the lover of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam on the occasion of Eid Ghadeer, also known as Eid Akbar. As we have already heard about the sermon of Ghadeer Qum, but today I will discuss about Imam Mahdi and the sermon of Ghadeer Qum, Mahdawiyat dar Ghadeer. As we know that Holy Prophet in the sermon of Ghadeer holds a special importance in the religion of Islam. The Holy Prophet has talked about Tawheed, Nubuwwat, Imamat, etc. Apart from the central pivot of sermon of Ghadeer, which is about Amirul Mu'mineen alayhi salam as being the immediate successor, Holy Prophet has also talked about Imam al-Mahdi. By the reference of Biharul Anwar, page number 201 in volume 37, Rasul and Prophet Mohammad has driven attention of Imam Asstt in the following phrase: O people, believe in Allah and His Messenger and the light which has been sent down with them. O people, the light from Allah, the Majestic, the Mighty, is the one in me, then in Ali, and remain in progeny until the Imam al-Qaim al-Mahdi. On the second instance, the Holy Prophet ﷺ described about the characteristics of Imam Asstt as follows: Surely know that Imam Mahdi will take revenge from the oppressor. Surely know that he is the one who will overcome all the religion. Surely know that he will capture all the forts and destroy them. Surely know that he is the helper of religion of Allah. Surely know that he is the inheritor of every knowledge and he is the one who encompasses every understanding. Surely know that he is of the highest grade. That means he is the most intellectual person. He is most wise and guide and also closes the door of each and every evils. Surely know that no one will be victorious upon him. Surely know that he is trustworthy in secret of Allah and in open. Surely know that he is the giver of news of his Lord, and he is the one who tells everything about the belief in Allah. So it means that the Ghadeer is not only the name of accepting the wilayat of Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, but also the accepting the wilayat of all the Aimma alayhi salam. At last, but not at least, I want to conclude by saying that the one who has not accepted the wilayat and not accepted the Ghadeer, for them the deen is incomplete. The deen is not completed for them, as it is clearly stated in Holy Book Quran, Al-Yawma akmaltu lakum deenakum atmamtu alaykum ne'mati. Today we have completed the deen for you, and today we have finalized the ne'mat for you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.